In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dynamic checkout button on Shopify product pages. Dynamic checkout buttons let your customers skip the traditional cart and go straight to a fast checkout option like Shop Pay, PayPal, or other accelerated methods. This can really streamline the buying process and help increase conversions, especially for returning customers who already have payment methods saved. First, let's get into your Shopify admin. Open your browser and log into your Shopify store. Once you're in the admin dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side. Find and click on Online Store and then select Themes. This is where all of your store's design settings live and where we'll be turning on the dynamic checkout option. Next, we need to open the product page editor for your live theme. On your current live theme, click either Edit Theme or Customize, depending on what your button is labeled. This will open the theme editor. At the top of this editor, you'll see a page selector. Click on that, then navigate to Products and choose Default Product. This ensures you're editing the standard product page layout that most of your products are using. Now we're ready to enable the dynamic checkout buttons. In the panel on the left, look for the section that controls your product page content. You want to select the product information area and then the Buy Buttons block, or something with a similar name depending on your theme. If you don't immediately see those settings, try clicking directly on the main Buy button in the preview on the right side of the screen. That usually highlights and opens the correct settings panel. Inside this Buy button or product form section, look for a setting called Show Dynamic Checkout Buttons or Enable Dynamic Checkout. Different themes may use slightly different wording, but the option will be very similar. Once you find it, simply check the box to turn it on. After you've done that, don't forget to click Save in the top right corner of the editor so your changes go live. Keep in mind, the specific payment method that appears in that dynamic checkout button can vary. It depends on your store's payment settings, as well as your customer's browser, device, and payment history. If you'd like to review or adjust which payment options you offer, go back to your Shopify admin, click Settings, then Payments from the side menu. From there, you can edit your payment providers and methods so your dynamic checkout button reflects the options you want to support.